So, what if I told you that you really do care about literally silly things and about silly people? Because honestly, we are humans and we do think about a lot of things and we do care about it. Yeah, we do care about these silly things and these silly people, and I am here to tell you why you should not. Because honestly, we are besties and it's my responsibilities to make you understand why you should not care about these things. So, few months back, I read this book called The Let Them Theory by Mel Robbins, and honestly, it is a game changer. Like, this literally changed how I view people, how I view relationships in general. And I am a type of person, I really love reading books. Self help, by the way, I love reading self help books, self motivational books, like books which will really educate my brain, and which will make my brain more sharper. So yeah, this book literally helped me because as a former people pleaser, if you are a people pleaser, I highly recommend you this book. My sister gave it a shot and she loved it too. So you will love it too because this book has such simple theory. Like, honestly, everyone should try it at least once in their life. Everyone should read it once. Because honestly, who doesn't care? Everyone in this fucking planet cares about what log kya kahenge. And I honestly hate that shit. I hate i hate when people say log kya kahenge. लोग तुमको पैसा नहीं दे रहे जीने के लिए. Why are you caring about लोग क्या कहेंगे? Live your life, man. Live your life. So point number 1, caring about what people think and trying to control what they think will create frustration, because honestly you cannot control what they think about you cannot control what they are talking about you, what they are gossiping about you, because honestly how can you know what they are doing behind your back? You are not some godly figure, you are not some this woo woo kind of creature that you will know what they are talking about you. And things that you cannot control you should not care about. Honestly, if you cannot control those things, why are you caring about? Because care उसी की करनी चाहिए if you know you can control it. And since you cannot control it, why are you caring? Why are you caring about these things? Like, why are you creating more frustration in your life? Is this life not enough of like frustration enough? Like, why are you adding up to it? Like, honestly, why are you adding up to it? We are already frustrated enough. We already have so many works to do. So why are you adding all these things? Honestly, if you cannot control it, do not think about it. Point number 2, overthinking steals your peace, your sense of peace. Like, literally every time you overthink, you replay those conversations, you overthink the worst case scenarios, you overthink the outcome of what could have happened or what could you have done better just to make them stay. You are literally risking your peace. You are literally risking your peace, and at this point you should know that you are just overthinking the silly things, because you cannot control those things. The past you cannot control it, the future you cannot control it. What you can control is the present. So what are you thinking in this moment is what you can control, and if you can control this, honestly you won't care about it at all. You won't care about it. If they just showed you who they are, then why are you trying to fix things? Just let it be, let them. Point number 3, people's behavior is information. It is information. If they do not prioritize you, it's information. If they do not support you, it is information. People's behavior is information. It is high value information, because honestly how they behave with you tells a lot about what kind of place you hold into their life. If they really do care about you, if they really do support you, their actions will back up. And if it is not, then honestly why are you caring about it in the first place? Like, why are you caring about those people who do not even care about you, who do not even support you, prioritize you? Stop caring. Let it be. Let it be. Now let's move to the point 4. Point number 4. Not everyone or everything is meant to stay. Honestly, let's be real here. If everyone you met in your life from the day you were born, how many people would you have known? Like, honestly, crazy amount of people, right? This is why letting them go is so beautiful. Like, if you are letting it go, you are making space for something much more beautiful and much more valuable. Point fifth, seeking validation is exhausting because let's be real, you are not here to satisfy anyone. And if you constantly seek validation and approval of others, eventually you will run out of your own battery. You will get tired, you will exhaust yourself because you are not meant to satisfy anyone. You are here to make your own life, to live your own life in according to you. Like, honestly, it is your life. Why are you trying to live according to others? Because no one in this planet is completely loved by everyone. Even if there are so many people who admire them, there are so many haters too. Because not every person can love everyone. Look at yourself. Do you love everyone you meet? Like, do you? No, right? It is it is just not possible. So please stop seeking validation. Stop it. Like, literally, please validate yourself. Like, you you should know how to validate yourself. If you know that you love reading books, then just read books. If you know that you love playing badminton, then just play badminton. Like, validate your feelings yourself. Like, do not seek approval of others and do not like rely on validation of others. Fill that cup for yourself. Point 6, your energy is limited. Spend it on your goals, spend it on the life you want. Like, spend it on things that will build the life you want to live. As humans, energy is limited. We are souls in this human body, and this human body is capable of certain things. It is not capable of unlimited things like our souls are. And since we are soul in a human body, how to take care of this human body and use our energy wisely. Wherever your attention goes, energy flows, and wherever your energy flows is the life you are building for yourself. So be cautious about it. Like, be cautious about it. So yeah, this is it for the video, guys. I honestly hope that you stop caring about people, and I honestly want you to live a life of yourself and just let them be. If they are not someone who you wanted them to be, just let them be. It's such a relieving fact to know that at least you got to know who they are. So yeah, this is it. Let them be and let yourself be. Bye.